Yo, what's up everybody? Back on the Z125. Gotta get a little rip in before it gets dark, because it doesn't get dark till later now, like 8 p.m. where I am. Whoa, whoa. I don't want to go too slow. See how long we can walk it. Yes, sir. But yep, welcome back everybody. We are back on the Z125. I'm telling you, I still like both of these, the Z125, even though I got the new 2022 Grom. They're real similar, but they're different in a couple ways too, and I really enjoy both the bikes. So I got a few things that I'm planning on getting order, and one or two that I've already got on order, and for that new 2022 Grom. But I'll save that. I'll probably go out on the Grom tomorrow or something and make a video on that. But I already have this Z pretty much exactly the way I want it, and it's I love this thing, man. But yeah, I think I have made the decision that I'm gonna dump a little bit of money into that Grom. I think I'm gonna do it all at once with the Grom, whereas this I kind of just slowly got parts. I think I'm gonna try to get like 4 or 5 things that I just really want for that Grom to make it how I want it, and kind of just do it all at once. So might as well just do that instead of drawing it out, you know. I can't remember if I showed the RAM mount in my last video or not. I think I may have mentioned I ordered it, but I got that in the other day. But I got the RAM mount in, and that thing is solid, dude. Like, this thing does not move around at all. Holds your phone super good. I'll link that in the description if anyone is looking at getting one. I'm really happy with it so far. And also, like, I have 2 or 3 bikes now that are going on the street, so I can kind of just move it from bike to bike super easy with this little clamp. Takes like a minute and it gets super tight on there, so I do like that. Holy shit, that sun's right in my eyes. What do we got? Some ducks crossing the road? They're taking their sweet time. I haven't been here in so long. I caught my personal best bass out of this pond right here probably like 4 or 5 years ago. I got it on GoPro, the whole catch, everything from setting the hook to getting it reeled in. I'll try to find that video and throw it in. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, that's a better one, dude. That's a better one. Oh my god, dude, that's a better one. Dude, that's a decent one. Yo. Oh, shit. Yo.
This thing's nice.
Yo, this is a hog, dude. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Woo. Nah, no clue. Oh my god.
Let's go, boy.
Oh my god, that's a hog, dude.
It's a hog.
That's a hog.
It's a hog.
This is a crappy hook. Dude,
oh my god. Oh my. Here, bring him over here. Bring him over here. Bring him over here.
Dude, I want you to lip him for me.
Yeah, I got him.
Oh my god, dude. Oh, fucking hog. Oh my god, lip him for me, dude. Lip him for me, dude. Lip him. Lip. Oh.
Hell yeah! Yo!
Dude.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh my god.
That's my PB.
Boy.
Oh my god.
Who would have thought?
Holy shit, dude. Dude, I'm about to weigh it. I have no clue. I think it's about 6.5 or something.
That thing's fat as fuck.
Oh my god, just caught this freaking hog. That's my PB.
That's for sure. You have to.
That's my PB. Holy shit.
Yeah, boy.
I'm shaking. Alright, I'll come back to you guys in a minit. I'm about to get a picture. Big old fish. I'm thinking 6 to 7. Alright, about to get my hook out. He swallowed it kind of, but let's see how big this fish is. I'm guessing 6.5.
Oh.
6.67. Yeah, I'm gonna go with 6.67. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna hold him up for a picture on the GoPro real quick. Alright. 6.75 pounds. Whoa, slow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Speed up. Man, those trucks are still just chilling in the road. They give no f***s. Get out of here, boy. Hey. Damn, dude, these houses are nice. They all got some kind of weird look to them. Kind of sick. Almost brought it back. Squirrely, woo! Bunch of deer. Let's see if we can slow walk it up this hill. Oh, someone tell me why wheelies are so freaking addicting. Freaking go. Wasn't the smoothest, but that was a nice long one. Little trail action. Alright, y'all, I think that's gonna do it for this quick little video. It's getting dark here. Nice little rip. As always, links to the levers, the exhaust, handlebars, all that in the description. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.